Most recent CDC study reveals an increase in children struggling with poor mental health. A number of factors can contribute to this, one being living in a low-income area. Dothan City Schools is working to aid that statistic. The school system is partnering with SpectraCare to make mental health a priority. The partnership provides free school-based counseling services to students. Therapists and social workers visit the schools to check in with students. The school district's mental health coordinator says what kids see in their community can also impact their mental health. This is why she hopes schools work to reduce the stigma.
Again, it removes those transportation barriers and funding barriers, because regardless of a family's ability to pay, they're still provided with those services. And by having them come to the school, we reduce absenteeism. We also see a reduction in suspension, but we see an increase in graduation rates and promotion power.
The sessions at the schools do not require students to miss school or for parents to take time off of work.